My name is George Delp. I am one of the managing directors for Yaveon Incorporated.
What is Yaveon and what does the company do?
Yaveon's mission is to create the best process manufacturing software for small and middle-sized businesses, and that includes food, chemical, and pharmaceutical. Basically anybody who uses a formula or a recipe. What Yaveon 365 is, it's a set of extensions that sit inside of or on top of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So Business Central out of the box is a really strong discrete manufacturing solution. Our Yaveon apps, available on Microsoft App Source, turn Business Central into a very powerful process manufacturing solution. We take Business Central and add the capability to have scalable recipes and formulas. It's modular, so you can purchase just the functionality that you want. There's about 30 in total. What I love about partnering with Microsoft and the whole Business Central product is it's such a solid platform. So we can take all of our R&D money and invest in things that are relevant to the industries that we focus on. People said, what do you do for a job? I said, well, I'm a slayer of spreadsheets. A manual process can still be in a spreadsheet. We take that and put it in a proper system. A lot of people use the term digital transformation, and that's a few years old now, especially in the world of AI. But that is really what we help people do. And we help them to make more efficient processes so that they can continue to grow without having to keep adding headcount.
My name is Patrick Kur. I'm a managing director for Yaveon Inc.
Tell us about your experience as a Cargas partner. How did it start? How is it going? And where do you see us going in the future?
To be honest, I still remember that very first call. That was with Charlie. He already had a lot of knowledge about, the industries, the requirements, and I think that's always the most important challenge. Understand the requirements, because the solution is out there. You just need to find it, and it feels like he found us, he found the solution, and the partnership was right from the very beginning on pretty efficient. We know what we're doing, so we all have huge experience implementing our software. So it's not just that we know the advantages, but we also do know the disadvantages. So we can give good advice to our partners, and I think that's what, at least I hope, that's what they appreciate. Our software is historically grown, organically grown, so it's really a bulletproof solution, and we have really a great partnership, and I really look forward, because I think we can really be part of that journey, like the Cargas growth in the future, so I'm really looking forward to work together.